Good morning to all of you. I am sure that all of you are safe and healthy at home with continue your studies. Under virology, today I will discuss with you about Coxsackie virus. The Coxsackie virus is the family of enterovirus, first isolated by Daldorf and Sickles in 1948 in New York. The characteristic feature of family group is ability to infect suckling mice, but not in adults. It's mean suckling mice are those mice which take milk from mother. Especially this virus affects childhood up to 10-year age, but may be infect in any age. On the basis of pathological changes produced on suckling mice, Coxsackie virus is divided into two groups, Group A and Group B. Coxsackie virus being a typical enterovirus, after inoculation in suckling mice, those mice, young mice which take milk, Group A virus produces generalized myositis and flaccid paralysis, leading to death in a week. We know well about myositis. Myositis is the inflammation in muscles with common symptoms like weakness, swelling and pain. And flaccid paralysis is the neurological condition characterized by weakness or paralysis and reduced muscle tone without other obvious cause. That means trauma, without trauma. This abnormal condition of flaccid paralysis may caused by trauma or any disease affecting nerve associated with the particular muscle. The Group B virus produces patchy focal myositis, that is spastic paralysis. Under spastic paralysis involve tight and hard muscles and causes spasm. Group A virus classified in 24 types on the basis of neutralization test, and also Group B viruses are classified into 6 types on the basis of neutralization test. Now we come to the clinical features of Coxsackie virus. Coxsackie virus produces large varieties of clinical syndromes ranging from general febrile weakness to symptoms of fetal infections. Now come to the Herpengia. Is a disease produced by Coxsackie virus. In Herpengia, there is a vascular pharyngitis, a very common infection of Group A virus in children. The Herpengia includes symptoms severe febrile meningitis, severe headache, pain in abdomen, vomiting. The lesions are small vesicles on passage and posterior pharyngeal wall, and on breaking, these vesicles result in ulcer. There is also a aseptic meningitis caused by both A and B group of viruses. with maculopapular rhesage. Maculopapular rhesage is made up of both flat and ridged skin lesions. Macules are flat, discolored skin lesions, and papules are ridged. The maculopapular rhesage are itching and last up to a week. The next disease caused by coccivirus is the hand, foot and mouth disease, HFMP disease. The HFMP disease was first reported in 1960 caused by Coxsackie virus, mostly in children up to age 10 years, but may be involved in any age. In HFMD disease, there is large clusters of papulovascular lesions on the skin and oral mucosa. Vesicles may present on mouth, cheeks, gums, tongue, and palm, stemtage and buttock region. In HFMD, serious complications like aseptic meningitis, encephalitis, flaccid paralysis, and pulmonary hemorrhage may occur. Coxsackie group of virus also causes many diseases in children like myocarditis and pericarditis. We know that myocarditis is the inflammation of middle layer of heart, while viral infection, the myocarditis is serious condition that weakens the heart muscles, which may cause the heart failure, abnormal heart beating and sudden death. And also pericarditis. Pericarditis is the inflammation of pericardium, a swelling and irritation of thin sac-like membrane surrounding the heart. There are symptoms like short, stabbing, chest pain, and the pain moves from shoulder to neck region. And there are some homeopathic medicines which are very useful in the pericarditis and myocarditis on the basis of totality of symptoms like aconite, aramid, cactus, digitalis, phosphorus, colicorp, colchicum, Spigelia. These medicines are used on the basis of totality of symptoms. There also recorded Coxsackie virus causes juvenile diabetic in children. Orchitis. Orchitis is the inflammation of testicles. Both the testicles are affected at the same time. Here are some medicine for orchitis may be used on the basis of totality of symptoms like clematis, bell, spongia, rhodoconium and lycopodium. This was all about the Coxsackie virus. Also notes are provided to you. Please go to notes and with video. Thanks.